This is a show we participate in every year. It's an opportunity to connect with our customers, to show them some of our latest technology, to talk about some of our latest service offerings. And, food safety has been a large part of what we've been sort of working on the last couple of years, both from a product and service standpoint. Our company actually has a continuous improvement program we implement every day internally for anything that we work on, any challenges we face. But we also bring that to our products and services. I think there's 5 pillars in the Protein PACT, and really 3 that we impact: food safety, people safety. You're talking about sustainability, energy savings, waste reduction. Those are all things we're trying to address through our new product offerings. So we're showcasing our food safe product portfolio, from our new material offerings to new belt designs to a number of tools and components that help making interact with our products easier, safer. We've got new beltings that they last longer. They're easier to clean. So when we talk about saving water, there's energy required to heat water, to treat water. Some of our newer materials are lighter, requiring less energy to operate conveyors in the plant. So we see energy savings. We see a reduction in cleaning time and chemical usage. So we want that belt to run day in, day out, produce safe food, and be easy to interact with sanitation crews. And so we've got new belt designs, new materials all here in this area, as well as some new tools and components that help make that interaction with our products much easier.